In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating a membership or subscription system on WordPress with Academy LMS and SureMembers integration. This powerful combo simplifies course management and membership control. Let's get started and make building your membership site easier than ever. First, make sure you have installed and activated SureCart and SureMembers plugins on your website, where Academy LMS is already installed. Next, head over to the Add-ons section, search for the SureMembers add-on, and turn it on. Now, let's create an access group in SureMembers. Go to the SureMembers menu from your WordPress dashboard. Click Add New, which will open the option to create your access group. Set a name for your access group. Under the Protected Content area, select Academy LMS courses. Important note: if you don't exclude courses from the SureMembers group access, they will automatically fall under it. To avoid this, make sure to search for and exclude any unwanted courses under the Exclude Pages, Posts, and Taxonomies option in the Protected Content section. Next, let's move to the Unauthorized Access option. Choose an action for unauthorized access. Here, choose Redirect and set the redirect URL to the checkout page. Once done, click Save Access Group. You can repeat this process to create as many access groups as you want. All your created access groups will appear in the SureMembers dashboard. You can also see which courses are excluded from a specific group. Next, let's integrate your access group with SureCart. Navigate to the SureCart product area and click Add New. Set the product name and click Create. Under the Pricing section, click Add Price. Choose a name for the pricing and set the payment type as Subscription. Set the main price and compare. At Price, and configure the repeat payment timeframe. Click Create Product and then hit Save and Publish at the top right. Now, let's link your product with the access group. Open the Integration section and click Add New Integration. Select SureMembers as the integration type. Then choose the access group from the list. Click Add Integration and save the product. Let's move to the final step, customizing the checkout page. Open Pages from your WordPress dashboard and start editing the checkout page. In the Gutenberg editor, click on the Hamburger section and select Form. Choose a template for your checkout page and click Next. Now, click Add Product. Your created product will appear here. Select your product, hit Create, and finally, save the page. Let's preview your access group in action. Open the course page preview. Here, you'll find the courses you've added to your access group via SureMembers. Click on the course, and you'll be redirected to the checkout page where users can purchase access. And that's it. You've now successfully created a membership system with Academy LMS and SureMembers integration on your WordPress site. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and good luck building your membership site.